Unlock a truly unique Shopify store by personalizing your site's core design elements to perfectly match your brand identity. First things first, let's dive into the heart of your Shopify customization by heading to your online store section. Here, you'll find your current theme. Click on the Customize button to open up the theme editor. This is where the magic happens. On your left, you'll see various sections that you can modify. Start by exploring the header, which controls your logo and navigation. Upload your brand's logo here to give your shop an instant, recognizable identity. Think about your brand colors and then navigate to theme settings to adjust them site-wide. From primary and secondary colors to accent hues, fine-tune these to reflect your brand's personality and make your shop visually cohesive. Now, let's personalize the actual content sections of your homepage. Click on Add Section to discover a range of pre-built elements you can use, such as image with text overlays or featured product displays. You can easily rearrange these sections by simply dragging and dropping them to create the ideal flow for your visitors. Don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts. Within each section, you can customize headings, descriptions, and even add calls to action. Make sure your messaging is clear, concise, and speaks directly to your target audience. And for that extra touch of sophistication, explore the typography options. Selecting the right fonts can significantly impact your brand's perceived quality and readability. Once you're happy with your changes, remember to hit that save button. This ensures all your hard work is applied to your live store. By taking these simple yet effective steps, you can transform your Shopify store from generic to unforgettable, capturing your audience's attention and truly making it your own.